Hello, everybody. My name is Karamoko Wuri. I am the author of the Amazon best-selling book, The Self-Empowerment Journal. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below in case you guys want to check out my new book. In these videos, I'm gonna talk about the fundamental principles of goal settings, why some people set goals and succeed, and why some people don't. So I'm gonna talk about the different aspect and the different fundamentals that kind of pertain into goal setting. The first thing that I want to talk about is having clarity. Before you go out and set a goal, you need to have clarity. Clarity is just basically, as it sounds, just being clear, having a clear mental image or having a clear picture of the type of lifestyle that you would like to live. Having a clear picture of the type of person that you would like to become, being clear about the type of achievement that you would like to have in the future. Yeah, clarity is just being clear, to put it in simple perspective. It's just being clear, having a clear image of who you want to be. Why is clarity important? Clarity is important because when you set out to achieve a goal, you're most likely gonna almost 85% of the time you're most likely gonna face some kind of a challenge. You're gonna face some kind of a setback, and clarity is important because it is the thing that's gonna keep you motivated. Because you having a clear picture is gonna keep you motivated and makes you want to keep going no matter what you face. Without clarity, you most likely ready to jump on the next thing, or you most likely will think about quitting. But having a clear picture help it helps you being able to see your goals, and it gives you that motivation, that courage to keep pushing no matter what. How do you gain clarity? You gain clarity by examining your current situation. You need to understand what is your current circumstances. What are you going through right now? What is it that you're experiencing right now? Is that the life that you want to live? Okay, so once you examine your current situation, the next thing you're gonna do is you wanna figure out who you wanna be. You wanna have a clear image. Who do you wanna be, and uh, what type of lifestyle would you like to live? And then once you have all that in set, you want to write it down. You want to write that down. It is important to write it down. You want to make sure you write it down. I'm gonna repeat it again. You want to make sure you write it down. So write down a clear image or a clear description of who you want to be, or what is it that you're looking for. What are you trying to achieve? Where do you want to go in life? What are the things that you want to experience?